How to screen record on your laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to screen record your screen on your laptop. So the very first thing you want to do is, if you want to use your built-in tools, you can do that by going and pressing this shortcut. So let me just go ahead and bring out my on-screen keyboard. You need to press this shortcut, Control Shift Windows and then S. Then you can find this toolbar at the top. You can select this snip video option and select the part of the screen that you want to record. So I'll just select the whole screen. Once that is done, you'll find the start option here. You have mute and mute microphone. And then you have your other tools as well. So to start, you can just press start here. It will start recording and you should be good to go. You'll see a countdown at the middle of the screen. You can mute and unmute microphone as well as your desktop or system audio. Once done, you can just go ahead and stop this and you should be good to go. You'll find your recording that's saved automatically here. You can also use third-party application like OBS Studio, like I'm doing here, to record this video, and you're going to be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.